Hello everybody, in this video I will make aquarium nails using polygel and gel. I've already prepped my natural nails and I'm gonna wipe them off using alcohol and apply primer. So now I'm going to apply base coat to all of my nails and cue in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now I will need an extension foam. Glue the middle circle to the inner part evenly. Cut out a cavity if necessary, so that the entire natural nail could fit the foam. Glue the foam edges and dry it on. I will make 2 cuts on the foam to make the gel nail look more aesthetically pleasing. Just for the side rollers not stand in the way when using the foam. Now I'm going to take a dollop of clear polygel and place it on my nail and form a thin nail. Cure 1 minute and remove the foam. So I'm going to take a dollop of color pink polygel and place it on my nail and form a smile line. I'm going to apply blue gel polish, cure for 30 seconds and print the transfer foil. Now I'm going to draw a few fine lines with white gel polish and cure for 30 seconds. Cover the nail with a top coat and put some rhinestones. So now I'm going to apply one face gel to all of my nails and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. File the nail to make the shape and nail surface. So now I'm going to apply top coat and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.